Well, welcome. You may notice I did Arma last night, and I'm doing Arma again now. I was really eager to fix what was going wrong last time. So right now I unpacked 2 missions that I was trying yesterday. The multiplayer versions that someone made. And I'm going to try to fix them and edit them to my liking and repack them. So that's the goal. Taking a while to load. There we go. Oh, interesting. Alpha 1-1, Alpha 1-2. Yeah, they screwed something up here. Alright, let's go here. What's this dude doing? Oh, let's see. Pilgrimage. Set variable. Lead out, no death. Alright, so here's where I gotta figure this stuff out. So, okay. Set captive true. Special states. Oh gosh, they've changed how everything's laid out, but I'll figure it out. This is set as AI, so that might be part of the problem. Wait. The Stomper. Why is Alpha 1-1 a Stomper? There we go. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. You know what I should have done is I should have opened the original Pilgrimage. That might be a smarter way to do this. Because this doesn't look right at all. Well, let me go here. I might be able to fix this right now. Crap. I need two computers running Arma 3 to test this though, for someone to play multiplayer. This can't be right though. This dude, the second player is a drone. I think that's what they did to make it so that you could switch between them in the original, but this is going to be screwing up all sorts of stuff. So, oh gosh, I don't even know. Where's explosive specialist? There we go. Captive. Mobile. Okay, they're their own thing now. By the way, where the heck is it? Cool. Okay, so we have all the possible loading locations. What is this trigger? That's some sort of trigger for like making helicopters or something, probably. Yeah, game logic. Let's see what's going on with this game logic. This is the character that I was just looking at. Make them playable. Was this so hard to do? Problem is, I don't. Let's try this. This is incredibly stupid, but I'm gonna try it anyway. So let's play multiplayer. 1, 2, 3. I'm on LAN. Doesn't matter. I don't even need a password, but whatever. Sometimes playing on LAN, I feel like someone could still get in somehow. Okay, so if I'm Alpha 1-1, also explosive specialist. If this was all I had to do, this would be ridiculous. I say continue. There's no way it's this simple. Companion on. This will probably break something. But yeah, I should probably unpack the OG version of Pilgrimage to see what's going on there and how these two compare. That's what I forgot to do. I can do it while stuff is loading. Alt tab. Go pick up the PBO manager that I downloaded. So apparently, Bohemia Interactive or Armaholic, I think that was a fan website, went down. So everything that was hosted on there is gone, or something like that. And that was just this year, so that sucks. But the official Bohemia Interactive forums still exist. My monitors are wiggling all over. They're not supposed to do that. I'm like getting eye strain from my monitor wiggling. That's weird. It doesn't normally do that. It's taking a while. Oh, it's because I clicked out of the window. It's not updating until I click back in. So let me click back in. See what's up. Hey, I'm alive, but I'm also here. Very, very, very not far away. Wait. Hey. Okay, so I'm player 1 and it worked. Is that literally all I had to do? Hold on. Okay, well I should... Yeah, and I did normal difficulty. It gave me all the right equipment. Is that seriously all I had to do? There's no way. And I'm playing in multiplayer. No way. I mean, that's kind of infuriating if that's all I had to do is whoever made the multiplayer mod screwed it up or didn't realize player 2 was a starts off as a drone, and because that's not an actual playable character, all I did was make this person, player 2, into a person to start to initialize, and then made them playable, the playable counter, which in my mind that was the first thing someone would do if they were trying to make this multiplayer, is make player, the second AI character, a playable character, and that's all you had to do. But maybe they realized they couldn't do that, or they were confused because it was a drone, for reasons of initializing it as an AI, which was fine in the original, but... And again, you could take control of it. That was the cool thing. That was one of the unique things about the original Pilgrimage, was that it was the only thing I've ever seen where in a single-player campaign you could swap between player 1 and player 2 at any time. And the other one would be an AI. So like you could jump into the body of any AI you wanted without being in Zeus mode. It was kind of its own thing years ago. There's probably a lot of functionality to do that nowadays. But let's see. Player list. Yeah, I'm the only player. I was trying to think. I wonder how you... I'm going to Google it. I wanted to add... add Switch multiplayer character in Arma 3. How to make multiple units playable. Yeah, how do you switch from one character to another? It used to be a functionality, you have to like add it in select player. I am not aware of how to switch it. Great advice. Alright, let's watch someone's YouTube video. Let me mute it so you don't hear it. Oh gosh, the old Eden editor is so old now. Well, yeah, you set the playable option. Yeah, they're a player. They're all players under Alpha 1.1. Oh. Well, that's, I guess, helpful if you have a squad. We can already do that in the other one where there's more than 2 people. That's good to know. That if I wanted to make a new thing, that's how I would do it. That's cool. Yeah, this is like really straightforward. They're all under Alpha 1.1 in a squad, and then you just make them all playable. The question, though, is how do you in-game switch between them? And I should probably jump to the end of this guy's video. Yeah, make it playable, blah, blah, blah. Game Master. Entity. Yeah, let me, okay, I need to back out. Back out, abort. Alright. Blah, 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 back. That's pretty cool, though. You can, even the role assignment I can test in Eden Editor. Eden Editor has come a long way since I last used it. This target... Get variable. how does he do it? Okay, so he has a guy, and it's a guy taking. Press undefined for more details. Oh, so you have to add logic. But I'm not gonna listen to him explain it because game. Okay, so game master. So it's a Zeus logic thing. So basically, his plan to do it is just take over Zeus logic, and so you can take over any allied unit by making you a Zeus game master. Well, that's kind of dumb. I already had that idea. It's not the best. So let me see. Yeah, so see, okay, and notice before Alpha 1-1 and Alpha 1-2, the Alpha 1-2 is under Alpha 1-1, so they belong to each other. So two players could not coexist in them without me splitting it out somehow. And the way I did it was this way, by making them their own people. I don't know why this one's red. I think it's because it's second playable character. Oh, but it became primary. See, okay. I almost got really mad. Whoever did this, they did this. Because remember, Alpha 1-2 on the menu was like main character who gets to decide. I could fix that right now, but I don't feel like it. Because then my memory of using Alpha 1-2 as the main person will be wrong. Okay, let's see what triggers do. Is not in alive. Okay, yeah, so this is like getting them in the loading the body triggers. Set detected by resistance triggers them to go into search mode. If you win, if his body makes it to the boat. Game logic. Hello, what is this? Oh, caller. Yeah, people calling you on your phone. So that's cool. Where's the rest of the logic? There's not much. Like, this is kind of surprising. I don't understand is, I guess all of the civilians look the same as you. It scares me because it says Alpha 1-1, Alpha 1-2. Something about the way it spawns it. Maybe like when you're in the menu, you're spawned on this island while you're picking things in your civilians, so you don't accidentally get killed. Something like that. So that's interesting. Locations. There's a bunch of cameras. Wait, are these all like the main? Yeah, anyway. The main churches. Well, I think that's good. I mean, it's good enough to test now. It seemed to work. I played as Alpha 1-1 and I was a playable character. And both are now separate characters. So let's save this. Okay, and how do I export to multiplayer? Alright, done. So multiplayer missions, pilgrimage. Where did it save that then? It says it saved it. Saved? Multiplayer missions? 9. No, that was when we played it yesterday. That's my save file in saved. See multiplayer. Anything from today? Nope. All the saves from yesterday. Alpha's exploration. Did I open that by accident? Well, while we're here, I was going to edit that one too. So I can unpack that one and do more editing. Since I probably lost where I unpacked it before. MP mission. Okay, so I just exported it, but like, where did it go? Mission.sqm is saved here because I did a save. Hello. I'm gonna Google that. Where is exported Eden editor video saved? Okay. Export. In-game, select export to single or multiplayer mission. In missions or in the games route. Okay. So even though I was in the documents folder for loading this, for some reason, it saves it in the game folder. So let me go to the other drive. I have this saved on a separate drive. Go to Steam. Well, I'm learning some things. Make better stuff in the future. Alright, so where's my PBO? MP missions. There it is. Yep, 1:09 p.m. It's right there. Pilgrimage.atlas. I should probably name it something else, but oh well. It might break stuff if I rename it right now. Alright. Well, cool. I'm gonna put this in. I'm gonna try renaming it and then try playing it. So we're gonna copy that and put it in my well, it's already in my MP missions folder. So let's go see if it's there. Let's exit. I mean, if it was that easy, I'm gonna be kind of mad. All I did was change it from being a UAV into a person and then make that person playable. And if the person who spent all the time to upload a multiplayer version couldn't even do that, like, I'm pretty embarrassed for them. So let's go to server browser. I'm going to host a new one. We'll host it on LAN. And hello. So is green self-made? Yeah, it is. So this is in the editor. Now I have like 5 versions of this. Great. None of them say my name because I didn't change that in the editor. So let's go do that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is annoying. There's like 5 versions now. Oh my gosh. Let's jump in the editor. It's a multiplayer editor, which is pretty cool, honestly. But okay, let's jump to this dude, and let's go. Well, let's learn how to change the information about this, the metadata. That's what we need right now. General. Alright, so this title will be Pilgrimage Logan. And Logan. Text. Modified version of Pilgrimage. Multiplayer. I changed alpha. Options at the start of. Okay. Alright, and then I go to export to multiplayer. And there it is. So let me delete the other one. Oh, I have it open. So let me exit. That was the one I opened. Apparently it was the right one. Let me back out further. Okay. Yeah, it's not going to let me delete that. Alright. Whoa. I accidentally clicked on click play. Let's back all the way out. Well, I'm glad if it was just that easy to fix this, but I mean, I need to test it in multiplayer. I need a second computer capable of running Arma 3, and I don't think I have one. Like, my old laptop used to be able to barely run Arma 3, but having it installed and playing on my file at the same time doesn't work. I can have one host a server, because that doesn't count as running a Steam version of Arma 3, but I can't run 2 clients because I only own 1 copy of the game. Hey, there it is. And there's the published version. So let's play the published version. That's, how did I do that? I screwed something up. Yep, he starts over there. A companion's off, so let's see if it actually initializes still. I just loaded it and then saved it again. The only thing I changed was metadata. How did it add yet another person when it wasn't adding it last time? Well, I guess I didn't check it in the browser, but how did I screw this up so bad? Alright, well, if this works and it looks normal, I don't know. There can be multiple player ones, I guess. It might be like the other one, though, where it initializes the game separately for both of us, so that could be a problem. At least now there should be enough players. Oh, good, autosaves. What? Oh, okay, we're on no, what? Did I accidentally make myself the dead brother? Is that what just happened? And so it sent me... Is that what I just did? Because I'm at a church at the start. That's kind of hilarious. So you play as the dead brother in this version. That's a problem. Yeah, no, I started at his dead body. So no, I'm a new person. Well, crap. That's kind of hilarious, though. Huh. Well, I guess I'm not done. I accidentally made myself... how did that happen? I guess he has the same identity as one of the civilians. Now I understand why they're civilians set up. One is to be civilians you talk to, and the other is to be the dead body. That must be what it is. So I'm learning. I thought I had it, but it's wrong. So let's back out. The biggest problem is I can't delete these bad ones while I'm in the game. So I'm going to close the game real quick. We're going to go to waiting screen. I'm going to force close Arma 3. Please force close. Can't even Alt F4. Awesome. Okay, now it's closed. Okay, so let's delete that one. There's the auto-saved one. Yeah, let's delete that one too. No, let's not delete that one. That one was the one I loaded. Yeah, we'll keep that one there. Okay. I am learning. Alright. Multiplayer missions. There's so many things you can do with this. Okay, so add-on classes in the config. Let's start getting to that. Before I end today, I'll definitely mess with the config file for the other one. Yeah. So maybe someone thought they could just open the file in Eden Editor and then save as multiplayer mission and they were done. That's what it looks like happened. Like, they didn't change anything. And then when they played it, they didn't actually test it. They're like, oh, it opens up and there's 2 slots. I'm done. But in reality, it doesn't work because they didn't test it. Alright. Let's open. By the way, I couldn't get these to open at all. spent like 20 minutes just trying to get these to show up here in this list. What I had to do was have the name of the folder that's full of all the unpacked files, and then put .altis for the island. So unless you have a mission file in this folder with .altis or .whatever island, or a folder with a dot and then the island name at the end of it, it will not show up here. So that's kind of annoying. Because having a folder with a dot in it was not that intuitive, but I got it figured out eventually. Okay, so we have brother. Oh, so this one's JR brother, this one's dead man. This guy is not either of those, so why is he showing up there? Set damage equal to 1, he's dead. That's so bizarre. Object transformation. Maybe I should, learn where... Yeah, he has a face. Presence. He's definitely present. Where's the game logic that handles this? Trigger? Not vehicle, not equals, and not body boat. Okay. And not vehicle player. Wait a minute. Since this guy is called the AI, it's screwing up some of this other stuff. Why would it send the AI? No, you know what happened? I chose player 3 to see what would happen. He must be player 3. Why is he showing up? He's not playable. What? Is this guy playable? No. Does he have a role? No. Does he have a role? This set captive. I made him playable. So this is besides options. And this one is... What? Can't they both be player? I guess not. But this is a multiplayer mission. Okay, well maybe this will fix it. Main character. Optional player 2. Alright, let's try that. Let's save and then just run it as is. Play in multiplayer. Alright, well in theory, I should be able to choose the options. Okay, I'm gonna Google again, like how do you switching characters multiplayer Arma 3. There's select player Arma 3 team switch. Basically you have to have units you want to switch to playable in the editor. Then when in-game you want to switch to one, you press your team switch key. In the list you choose you want to be. Build your own mission to a chosen character in game. Yeah, so this is the same guy spamming his video, and every time someone asks for it, but I already watched that video and it doesn't really show me much of anything. Use units, set one as player and others to switch to. Okay, make them playable. You need one as the player and the others as playable. I don't know, you want these units in separate areas. Okay, cool. Okay. First unit you place would be player, blah blah blah. Okay, someone else made a tutorial. Well, let's check that out. How to set up sides that you can switch between. Okay, yeah. Set as player. Set a bunch of dudes. Make them all playable. And then what is he doing now? How do you switch? Okay, so he brought up the menu. Okay. I need to listen to this part.
Or you could go to the button for team switch. For me, it's Q.
Okay, button for team switch. Let's see if... well, it's not going to be Q. Alright, let's see. Let's look for controls team switch. Multiplayer. Isn't that fun? I think they've changed it. See, this is the problem, is there used to be a menu for it automatically. There doesn't seem to be one now. So that's really cool, Bohemia. Because that used to be a thing, and now it's like it's not a thing. Button for team switch. Arma 3. Used to be a thing. An empty slot. Well, that's how you enter the game. So this is how the original pilgrimage could switch between members, and if they removed the freaking button, then how does anyone do it? That's the problem. Okay, so apparently it showed... Yeah, you used to be able to hit U and the team switch menu comes up. Alright, let's see if U works again. Nope. It's so weird. Why is it like this? Alright, enable team switch true. Team switcher now works. Can manually switch players by doing select player, by pressing a button. There's a mod that will add it to any mission if you're running with the mod. I might check that out. Okay, well, I'll check that out. But enable, let's try that. I can do it from here. Enable team switch. Hey, we got the team switcher up, baby. Alright, the problem is... there is no problem. Oh, no, it didn't like that. Switchable select, undefined variable, especially closest unit index. Interesting. Okay, well, we're getting somewhere. True or false? Okay, so the team switcher's up. So let's... okay, so they're saying add switchable unit. Oh. Okay, so this is really easy. All I have to do is add to the global environment. Hope so, whoever watches this learns something. Or maybe no one watches this because no one cares. But at least my microphone's on this time. Functions viewer config. No. That's just a view of available functions. Okay. I already forgot what it was. It was can I not edit it from here? Is this not an editor? I guess not. Okay. Well, I know one way to fix that. This is the config file. Config. It's somewhere in here. Init. Let's try init. Yeah, the init is in plain text. Here we go. Okay. Okay, this has all of the stuff specific to the west set friend, west east set friend, debug. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is the global. This is the initial runtime stuff. Title music. I could. I really want to just cut out all this crap, but no, I'll leave it in place for the sake of the guy's artistic integrity. Player set captive. Player allow damage false. Hey, I see this. AI set damage 1. You could kill the second guy immediately. He left in a bunch of code for. Why would you set captive true on player? What does set captive mean? I always forget. That's something very specific to Arma. Load time, add rating. Alright, well, I'm just going to add something near the beginning. And it's going to say... I already forgot. I'm blinking. It was enable team switch. Oh yeah, and you can't see any of this. I'm on text editor. Enable team switch true. Semicolon. Add. Yeah. This is very confusing. Okay. Add switchable unit. I could just. This is a problem. Units group player. And the group was something they defined before. So let's select a team member. Yeah, so units group player might be enough, then add switchable units. I'm going to follow their example. So units underscore equals groups space player semicolon, and then add, I already forgot, what did it say? Add capital switchable unit equals units underscore semicolon. Yeah, I might need to do this later. Well, this is the init. It might work still. This might be buggy the way I'm doing it. Oh, there's no equals on add switchable unit. That's a syntax thing. Okay. So control save. Back to Arma. Let's close and open. Open. Alright, so now if I play this in multiplayer, in theory, I can immediately press U. Ooh, we didn't like that. Error missing. Wait, am I missing one? I don't appear to be missing one. Enable team switch true. Units equal. Let me look. Did I mess something up? Units equal. Units. Oh, I missed units. That's actually a required thing. Save that. Let's go back. Cancel. Back. Yeah, I did not like what I changed. Alright, we're gonna open. That error is permanent to remind me. Okay. And it might be that's not what the player is called. Like, he's not player 1. Yeah, it's not liking that. Let me try to continue anyway, see what happens. Units player. Yeah, see it put a thing next to player, meaning that's where the error is. Let me go back. Yeah, so I'm still driving the boat. It's like, I don't know where to put you. Here, drive a boat. That's hilarious. Okay. Alright, I know what I did wrong. The thing is, the example I'm using, player, this is not called player. This object is called RYDJR Alex. I could just add them manually. That's what I'm going to do. So RYD player Alex and R. I can just add them manually. So let's see. What was the way to add it manually? Unit group player. See, no, but that should get whoever the player is. It gets everyone in their group, so that shouldn't have mattered. Yeah, I don't know enough about how to do this. Units group player should do it. I don't know the syntax to do it. Select player. I can manually switch players. Huh. Maybe if I get rid of groups. Let's try that. RYD player AI. Alright, yeah, this is taking a little more work than I thought it would. RYD JR. That was it. RYD JR AI. Alright, save that. Reload. Alright. Well, I don't know what that was. Let's play, see if we get an error. No error so far. Okay, there's the error. So RYD JR AI didn't like JR AI. Oh, because he doesn't exist. Well, let me try to continue, see what happens. Nope, okay. It didn't like that. Although, well, team switch is still enabled. Let me get rid of that, just so I'm not confused. The team switch line worked flawlessly, but adding these units... Maybe, okay, I'm just going to do this one at a time. So, unit 1. We're just going to duplicate this code. Units JR AI, because I think it didn't like that I was doing 2 at once. Alright, we're going to save that. We're going to reload. Oh boy. Well, I'm learning a lot about how this works. I can make my own scenarios better now. Alright, let's play that in multiplayer. That was pretty funny that last time, though, where, the last time it worked, where I got spawned at the dead body. What doesn't it like? Units, add switchable. Type array expected object. Add switchable unit. Type array. Add switchable. I wish it stayed up longer. If I hit continue, it will show up again, I think. Or I just crash it. Oh, okay. Yeah, I know. Okay, what I think I'm doing wrong, though, is I'm doing this way too early. So let's, Ooh, there's a debug version of... Yeah, he added a bunch of stuff. Debug equals false. I could do all sorts of fun stuff. Player ad rating. Blah, blah, blah. Phone junk. Well, this is all the init, so it all runs eventually, but technically it'll run in order, so I should probably mess with some of the stuff later. ADM. Oh, here's all the options. Ooh. You can mess with the options. Alright, well, we're going to do it way the heck down here at the bottom. Save. Execute VM. JR init sequence. Alright, well, I don't know if that's going to mess it up by putting it way at the end, but we will try that next. Let us see. I don't think I had any errors. RYDJRAI. Unless it's OW. No, it's an AI. RYDJRAI. Yeah, I spelled that right. Alright, so let's reload. Once again. How long have I been doing this? 45 minutes? A lot of work for getting this to work. Yeah, maybe I should play as player 2 this time. No error. No error again. Companion on. Oh, there's the error. Add switchable unit. It doesn't like that. Type array expected object. Did I do an equal sign? Oh, maybe because I used the units command with an S. Let me switch that. Units to unit. I don't know. I'm learning these commands on the fly, so that's probably it. Let's, I think I crashed it. Oh, no, there it goes. And then the stupid autosave. Okay. Oh, I found him. By playing player 2, I'm already here. Okay, well, team switch is enabled, so that worked. Good luck. You already found his body. It's right here. Alright, well, let's back up. Interesting, though, when I put companion on, nothing shows up, even though... Yeah, so something's off there with the way I changed this. The companion doesn't load properly now. It did it initially. Okay, so I'm going to reload once again. Let's see if this works. And I'll be player 2, just to see. And, no. It does not like unit. You know, maybe I should get rid of the word unit. That was the problem, because I think that was their way of querying what was in that, and I can just set that variable to equal that. In fact, I don't even need this. I can just say add switchable unit, the name of the unit. This was all about them naming a variable after a queried... Oh crap, I messed it up. After a queried, they query what the units are called and then put that into add switchable unit, but these things should always be named the same internally, I think. That might be a bad assumption that makes it fail because of the name of my Logan character, so I will be forced to use a query, but okay. I don't want to begin my pilgrimage, oh no. Alright, so that's fixed. We'll try that. Let's see if I have any viewers right now, since I'm waiting. Ah, nice. 0 viewers. Welcome, no one. Hope you guys enjoy this on YouTube, if anyone hears this. Cool. This takes a while to load. Wait, what? It set me somewhere where his body isn't. But my character reacted to something as if something really big just happened. Okay, player switcher. Nope. Where is my companion?
Petros, Move to grid 0, 9er, 5, 1, 5, 9er.
Okay, so if I start as player 2, as the only person, it sends me somewhere far away. It sends me to one of the churches. The problem is, why? It's almost like it sends the second player to the body. And that makes no sense, because the first time I tried this, oh yeah, it's been doing that, but it's something about how I changed them into a person, I think screwed it up. But why am I here? There's no body marked. Is it because I'm player 2? So like player 2 found the body, but they're not allowed to find the body? Like, it doesn't look like it's even marking it off. In fact, this church isn't even open. Like, you can't even go in this church. How is this one of the churches? Maybe that's a bug. Wait, what? No, that's just a medic. Okay. Is there an opening somewhere? None of these doors open. They're all locked. Something's wrong here. I really should just give, like, Zeus commands to the player. Alright, let's back up. I'm gonna try again, but this time switch to player 1. So in theory, this should work fine, no problem. Maybe add switchable unit is not the best way to do things, because that just adds you to the unit switcher. There's select player target, where you become the target. There's also the all-in-one single player mod that I saw. Enable AI under edit multiplayer. Alright. Well, we don't want like AI at all, so maybe that's the problem. I should force it off. Oh, hey, what's up? He's still not showing up though. What's your problem, dude? Because in theory I could even zoom in and be like, hey, go here. But no, it just picks me again. Nope. But is there a help? No? Yeah, it works if I do this. Let's, disable AI. But I need 2 players to test this. Okay, so we added the switchable units, but it doesn't actually switch. So what if I just make me a Zeus? So we do new object game master. Oh gosh, I have to find that. It's up systems Zeus game master. Alright, so we both get to be game masters. So variable name Zeus1 is our Zeus2 owner. RYDJRAI. Okay. That's not what I meant to do. I meant to do this. Okay. And we're going to make a copy of that over here. Now let's just delete that. Make one manually by going here. And then add. Where is it? Game Master. Alright, so this is gonna be Zeus 2 or Zeus 1. Owner is RYDJR Alex. Okay. So let's save that. Let's play that. I don't even remember what the Zeus button is. Is the Zeus keybind Z? No, it's well, I guess we'll find out. Yep. That's not what I was looking for. Oh yeah, Zeus. What's the Zeus button? Why? Why? And then I can be like, alright, I want a car. Give me an off-road right now.
Ready for orders.
Oh, JK dude, I need an empty off-road. Give me... yeah, that works.
Elias, driver, get into that vehicle.
Cannot comply.
Elias, get in that vehicle.
Copy that.
I mean, it's not the worst thing.
Standing by.
Make whatever we want for free. I don't know. I don't think this is gonna work with two people. If I can get rid of some of the AI stuff and just assume both are players, guaranteed, that might work better. You know what the problem is? I just realized. Okay, so starting positions don't matter anyway, so I don't know why this dude starts in the middle of freaking the desert, but we're gonna take him. We're gonna move him over by the other one. Oh, that's not it. He's in the corner. Alright. We're gonna say, hey, what is up, my dude? We're both swimming. Oops, I spun him around, but who cares? Okay, we're gonna assign him to him. That did not work. Let me move closer. There. Why doesn't that work? Connect group to him. There we go. Alright, let's save that. Let's try this junk. I think I cracked the code. Although I should have played a second player, but oh well. Test both positions. Companion on. So maybe having companion on, I need to go check where that code is and just turn off that functionality completely. I think that's what's screwing it up the most, because by having companion on, I think it respawns that dude as an AI regardless of what you do. So if I can just keep him as a playable character, and not have the companion code ever come into effect, where it's always assuming he's going to be playable, then it might be fine. So I'm going to go look for that. It's not in the init file. Pilgrimage, setting camp? No, that's a different thing. Init, GUI, description, Intel, shop, body boat. What is body boat? Oh, that's moving the body into the boat. Blackout, credits. Yeah, so that's the end of the game. Okay, decoy, mission, CPU load test, leave, recruit. How do you recruit somebody? I'm free and now under your command. What? That's a thing? I don't remember ever doing that. Init intro. I kind of just want to delete this one. Okay, set position of the brother. Awesome. Model to world. Yeah, so they're moving the brother's dead body. Cool, cool, cool. And then it does, based on your position, sends you to the right place. Sleep for 3 seconds. Then sleep for 4 seconds. Then sleep for 8. Or 8 cycles. Maybe this is a sleep between running each of these. Okay, this is what I want though. Sleep, typed, play music, sleep, blackout, blur, handle, camera position, skip time, HB on, sleep. What's going on over here? Oh, still can't change position, but in theory I could keep like one guy alive on an island really far away, and I can always go back into his body as Zeus. So where's Nassau? What?
What's your position?
What is this? Cycle? The helicopter cycle, and I can see it? What is going on? Someone's walking back and forth along this position. Where's my
Move to grid 282251.
where's my third dude? Is he out in the ocean? No. Well, I know one way to find out. Let's go into third person. Yeah, 3. Come on, regroup. Where in the world are you? Oh yeah, I can just do this. Right click, middle mouse button, control click. I thought it was middle mouse button. Hold on, let me check. Zeus controls. So that might work. No, let's move to selected objects. That did not work.
3, rally up.
Yeah, 3, where are you? I didn't seem to do anything. Oh, there he is. Wait, no, that's my other guy.
3, fall back.
Yeah, come on, 3. Where are you?
Dimitiro, weapons free.
Where is he? I screwed something up. Maybe the idea is I accidentally added the dead body to my group, and my guy doesn't know he's dead yet. So that's what's happening. That seems possible. I don't know. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna try this one more time, and then we're gonna come back to this because I'm not quite sure what to do. I haven't found anything yet that indicates where the companion code is. Let me look for companion. That's the sound of me not finding the word companion. Terminate. Alright, so intro does not have it. Re-ammo vehicle, pack hideout, remove box, sell cargo, account, rest, hitchhiking. Yeah, how does the hitchhiking work? That was pretty impressive. Spawn lazy travel action. Well, where's that function? Normal aim. What is this? AS intro. Is this the enemy? RYDAS active. Oh, yeah. It's the enemy stuff. Their functions. Killed in action. Killed mark. JR function. JR init. Add event handler. Assigned vehicle. JR names. Surnames. Speakers. Born. AI. RID is target. AS init. AS target player. Okay, so yeah, you become the target of the enemy when this initializer happens. Preprocess compiler. Weapons. Better loot. Adds a bunch of stuff. 2 different types of buildings. Starting mode. Case RNWE. All guard groups. Yeah, so this is all the stuff. So where is companion? Nowhere. Cool. So let's try to find where that would be. This is all the conversations. Oh gosh, this is a long file. Holy places. Okay, so this is where it has every possible holy place. Cool. Camp. All holy places set. Body position. Select using a randomizer. Find safe position. Body distance within 100 meters. In a circle. In a safe position. Okay, so group RYDJRAI. He's his own group in the original. Set AI position. That's probably why I broke it, because he wasn't his own group anymore. AI position. Body position. Brother. Create a mark of the body if you're in debug mode. Set the tracks. There's all sorts of stuff in this file. This is a big long loop that loops through possible weapons, ammo, vehicles, loading screens. Motorized. Enemy groups being created. Boat spots. That's cool. I can change that too if I want. Ooh. Yeah, this is pretty advanced. Enemies. I should just search for JRAI. If friend, then AI set buddy position. So AI set position. AI wrote? False. What? AI wrote? What's that function do? AID. Hack UGV. Oh, that's right. You can hack the enemy UAV thing. Airfields. Okay, if RideJR AI friend, then set directory P directory. Player set directory P directory. Where is that function? Find rec set directory. Oh, what's P directory? Yeah. We're setting it to whatever this is, this function. Get position ATL player map def position call if. Okay, so this is what I need to edit right here. So instead of an if, we make it a guarantee for companion. So the boat gets sent to where the player is, and that's okay. But instead of an if statement to say, if you have a buddy, set his directory, we just do his actual name, RYDJRAI, and we don't make this an if statement. That's a guarantee. Let's try that. That took a long time. Did I just get sent somewhere? No, this is where we started. Okay. Alright. So in theory, this should work now. So if I load this, we got our two buddies here. Entities with names. Play multiplayer. Oh, I sure hope you love my voice because, well, now he's showing up correctly as a sub part of Alpha 1, while still having two roles. So companion on or off won't matter anymore because that character will still exist. So like if I set companion off, there should still be a guy with me in theory. So I think this will work. And I really should add comments to help me find this again. Oh, I probably should have commented out the existing stuff, but who cares? I'm not being careful, I'm playing fast and loose. I can always extract the original again to get this file, so hopefully I don't need to do that. Loading screen to hide all the stuff spawning. Anderson is away, but we still have Russell. He does not show up on the team viewer. However, if I go kill myself, so you stop.
Roger.
I'm gonna go kill myself real quick. I don't have a grenade. There really should be a better way to kill myself, but oh well. Let's give myself a grenade real quick. Or I just crash a helicopter real fast. Exit. Why? I mean, this does make up for a lot of the problems in this. I can, even if we start out far apart or I screw something up that way. Oh, oh, that's annoying. Take controls. Alright. Start her up. Oh yeah, you have to engine on. That's how you do it. Alright, who wants to crash a helicopter? I do. So the point of this is I want to see what happens if the main character dies, if I can switch to be someone else. How do I gain altitude again? There. Nope, that's down, and that's turn. A is roll. Well, that works. Nope, I've instantly failed. Well, now we know. Maybe I could turn that off. Or, yeah, let's see where optional player 2 is, because apparently I failed the mission because of the way it's coded to show the mission failed screen. But this guy still exists. He's going to begin his own pilgrimage. Okay, that's part of the problem, is the player gets shown that every time they join. And that's something no one has accounted for in making this multiplayer. That's probably what's screwing things up. In theory, we can both start somewhere and do the missions in parallel to find both our brothers. But, yeah, this is a bit of a mess. That's really interesting, though. This is true. It is active. I think that means he's dead. I found his body. So let's see. Map. Where am I? So this fool started on the body.
Enemy!
Technical. Grid 130151.
But the technical already found me? Oh, that sucks. Well, where's the body? I'm not seeing any body anywhere. Oh, that's because I am the body. Yeah. I screwed something up.
Foot mobiles. AT soldier. Grid 1, 2, 9er, 1, 5.
Yeah, no, there's no way I'm gonna take out that whole squad with this crappy gun.
9er, 1, 5, 0.
They're gonna take me out. Take me out to the ball game. Yeah, see? Unloaded 20 bullets into him. He's fine. Alright, well that's cool. Let us abort. Whoa, did the game just crash? No, okay. Alright, so there's a problem there. I want to fix this one problem before... Wait, yeah, why are these Alpha 1 and 2? That's what's annoying. So we have Dead Man, and we have Brother. And this is not a player, so why is this spawning my boy RD over there? Player. Okay, we're gonna add to the init here instead of the init sequence. Let's remove those. Can I copy and paste into there? Let's find out. Probably not. I can. Okay. This move in driver set variable. to this one. What does this one say? Yeah. Alright, well, let's save that and see if I can do something with it. You know, yeah, let's not connect these. How do I unconnect? I think it's no. There we go. Okay. Let's save it like that again. Because now it's calling the variables directly. This should be fine either way. All alone. So in theory, what I can do is leave and come back as the other guy. In theory, should be able to also come into this just fine. Hey, I got a viewer now. Welcome. I'm just editing this single player map or scenario to be multiplayer. There's various people I've tried in the past that didn't know what they were doing and didn't do it properly. So I am eager to make it work. Because this is one of my favorite scenarios and I want to play it in co-op. But it's very advanced. Like, there's a lot of single player missions, even the main campaign, that'd be very easy if it wasn't already converted to co-op to convert to co-op. But the fact that this is randomized and sets people's position, like right now, for some reason the second player's position gets set to the same location as the dead body, which makes no sense to me because they have different markers for their names. So there's nowhere in the code that should make that happen, but it's been happening. So that's a problem. That's the final goal, and you don't want one player. Actually, that is kind of a funny way to do this mission. Is one person is already at the body, the other person's at the boat, and the goal is to get to the body in a vehicle and take it to the boat to win. But you ruin the whole beginning of the mission, which is the most fun part, where you're searching for the body. So the end is kind of the least fun, but it is technically still a thing. Why are these? I didn't change anything about these. They have different names. I don't know. There's no reason for this to send him. Wait, what's going on there? Oh no, it was just showing me where he is. Yeah. Unless there's something it's connected to. Add a switchable unit. So that's already happening. That's kind of funny. I like already have that here. I don't need to add it on him. Because that was already a thing. But the problem is it doesn't work in multiplayer. And I don't know why. Because that's the name of this character. I guess when you embody the character, that's no longer his name. And that's part of the problem. Maybe that's what I need to do, is change every single instance of that variable name in the code to be to query what the name is. That's probably what the problem is. Why did Arma choose to do it this way? Stances, defensive options. Okay, so this is going to be interesting. Yeah, no, this isn't going to help that much. This is cool. Someone recommended an all-in-one single-player mod. That's cool and all, but I don't think it's going to help me with this multiplayer problem. Okay, so I need to like make a note here somewhere. Like write a note to myself. So as part of this video, this is my note. My note is, in order to fix this problem, I've narrowed it down. When you're in multiplayer, like additional players, like their player name gets incorporated into the entity name. And that is causing problems. Let me reopen close tab. Where did I have that tab? Not this. Alright, I'll have to search my history. I'm just looking up all the stuff I was looking up recently. Alright. So you can manually switch players using this method. Units group player to get everyone in the group's name, and then select but that's a problem. I don't know. I can make it so a single player, so me playing the multiplayer mod can switch to my AI companion that I add, but that's not fixing the problem of having a second player. What I really need to do is just create a second player and copy all of the code that it does for sending his location to the right place. Although, that shouldn't be too hard. So you're not seeing this, but I'm going through the text files. I found it right here. Let's do this. I almost want to start over with a clean slate so I don't screw up all the other crap that was working. So let's open... Well, crap. I've messed up a lot of this, but this is how we're going to do it. I need to unpack it again. Actually, it must be in my trash. Let me minimize everything. I have an extra copy in the trash. There it is. Alright. So going through the trash version. Let's close this out, Arma 3. We're gonna close the scenario so I can just straight up delete it, and we're gonna start fresh. We are going to start fresh. Where? Okay, I'm in the wrong location. Whew. Yeah, I just kind of want to get this done at this point. This took a long time. Alright, I'm going to delete it, and it's gone. And then I'm going to take the one on the desktop and dump it in there. And then open it back up and start messing with the files again. Okay. So now if I open it in a single player editor, Altus, and I go to open, alright, so here's the plan. There is a companion, but what I'm going to do is create a brand new player that's a player 2. And player 2 is going to be identical to player 1, other than it's a brand new entity that copies the location of player 2, or player 1. And that's it. He's just going to tag along. He's not going to have any of the functions other than being a playable character, so whatever functions get inherited by players in this scenario, that person will also inherit them. Alright? So, we are going to make explosive specialist. And there you go. It's that easy. This person is going to just be called player 2. And I'm going to add the Zeus stuff just for fun. So let's do Zeus again. Gives us some more options if the game gets boring, or we need to inhabit someone else's body or whatever. We can just make someone on our side so we can take them over later in case we die. Zeus, Game Master. Alright, so both players are going to be a Game Master. Zeus 1. Owner is RYD JR Alex. Alright, and that's it. And we're going to make another Zeus here. And this one's going to be Zeus 2. Awesome. Okay, so now the only other thing I have to do in order to make this work is mess with, let's see, okay, I need to make sure I don't lose the code I was changing. So enable team switch equals true. We're going to copy that, and we're going to reopen. Oh gosh, I have too many windows open. We are going to reopen the init file. We're going to close the existing one now. And we're going to reopen the new one. Add this to the bottom. So player switching is now existing again. JR init. We need to go to row 3000. And take this. Yes. Okay, so player direction. Cool. That's what PDR, what they're having it stand for, because it's a variable they made. So this is JR init, which is... Oh, it was hard to find all this stuff. Okay. Alright, line 3400. Yeah. Okay, so we have a buddy, but we also have player 2. So player 2 is along for the ride. Awesome. Okay. Player 2 is guaranteed to be there and in the group. I need to modify their descriptions now. So where is... Description. The multiplayer thing. Oh, role description. Here we go. Main character. Optional. Alright. I think I did it. So, from everything I've learned, this should work fine. We're going to do a fake multiplayer. Yeah. So if I'm optional player 2, I should end up next to player 1. That might be where the issue is, though, if player 1 doesn't have a location. So, in theory, I should be alone somewhere. But I guess if player 1 doesn't get sent somewhere, this might not send me anywhere. It might break. We shall see. Player, yeah, set directory, p directory, which is wherever you chose to be spawned. So if both players get the options menu, then that means they could, in theory, get sent to 2 different locations, if they wanted. Yeah. Okay, well, that should work. Alright, where I'm in my chosen location, all by myself, there's no one else, which is exactly what should have happened. So if I back up and go to the other player, and go to the same location, then in theory, I should spawn right next to where this player is, because they're an AI that got spawned there. Same exact... Oh, location unknown. It might send us 2 different places, but I should have set a specific one. That's my bad. Yep. Alright, it's taking a while. I'm gonna go delete this version I made earlier today so I don't get confused. Alright. Still loading. There we go. Alright, so I'm player 1 in an existing server where player 2 went somewhere. There's the boat, but there is no player 2. So I think what happens is running it, both of us going through, having the player be the one that initializes running the options. It runs the options for both of us and deletes the other player. So if I'm already in the world and he tries to run new options, it probably reconfigures the world, or it fails to do so. Oh, wait a minute.
2, move to grid. 2, 5, 6, 1, 9er, 4.
I take it all back. He exists somewhere. Where? I don't know. Okay, I can do this. This might have worked exactly as intended. I just need to back up and well, these players are already set, but if I load back in, I wonder if it'll show the option screen again. If it doesn't, okay, looks like it will. Okay, this time we're gonna do east. I wonder if this will make a 3rd character, or if I just got teleported. It should just teleport me, and it shouldn't keep duplicating more and more people, but who knows. This might have all worked. I only made 2 changes to the code, and then I made 1 character in the editor, and that's all I've done. 1 playable character that's completely new, and 2 changes to the code to make the player go to the player position, the new 2nd player, and also I added switcher, which honestly, if I have companion on for both of us, I think that means we each have a companion, which will be interesting. I don't know how that'll work. Okay, so I'm on the east now. I think that's where I already was. Hey. Who are you? Oh, never mind. That's just the guy that drives the boat out. That's already a thing. I thought I screwed something up or something, but no. That's the guy that's like, hey, bring your brother's body and I will help you. Okay, Alright, I think everything's working as intended. I'm just going to try one more time to try to see if I can see the other player. It doesn't look like the AI portion of this is working, making them a playable character. Going through the options, east. Yeah, I think running that deletes the AI characters that are already there, or resets them, is what appears to happen. Yeah. What's weird though is that this is an AI player at the start. They're playable but not being played, player 2. So in theory they should get teleported to my position anyway, just like the other buddy. But it's not doing it for some reason. I don't think there's any other initializing for them to exist. It's just teleport them to my area. They should be there. They're an entity that exists that I just put in the world. They're in my command group. It's possible he's in my command group but floating in the ocean way out there.
2. Move to grid. 1, 8,
Okay,
5,
well there's
0,
just the two
6,
of us.
1.
The question is, where's the other guy? And I can't switch to be him. Oh, yep, he's in the ocean. Awesome. And by awesome, I mean that's kind of dumb. And I can't switch to him. Oh. I'm dumb. I could switch to him if I do... Oh, I don't have it up. What the thing is, it's... No, never mind. It's, add switchable unit. Add switchable unit. Player 2. So if this works, that's kind of cool. Alright, let's see if I can switch to him. Nope. I don't know why that doesn't work. It does not like me. Well, that's fun. I'm viewing myself, so there's that. Uh-oh. I messed with it too much. Alright. Let me just add that one thing to his initial thing. So he's not getting teleported. Let's try to fix that. Alright, well let's just add switchable unit player 2. What I could do is just force this to be in one location instead of the randomizing thing. I mean that would make it work, but I kind of want to leave this intact and not mess with the code so much. Let's see. Alright, the initial sequence, player 2, progress loading scene, get position of player, angle towards, map, definite position to 10 places, player, set directory, get position, ATL, where's that? Oh, that's just a thing. Map definite position. So where's map definite position? Find next. While Map definite position is less than 10. Find a safe space. Iterate. Get array. Center position. Spawn position greater than 1. I mean, that's it. There's not a lot here. Alright. Call RYDJR aim towards. What is that? Angle towards. Point me towards the center of the world. Direction is position. NB call aim towards. Where do I create aim towards? I'm calling it if friend set the buddy there. Well, that's fine and all. Set direction. Get of player. Player set. The boat set. But where is the player becoming the boat? For each enemy. Okay, better gear. Get some stanags. Player 2. That should work. See, player is just a generic thing. Player 2 is the name I gave. But that should still work. Alright, well. Let's, So each player that plays gets sent through the initial sequence, and that's a problem. So how do I fix that? Because that's if it's not going to cause a problem now, it won't matter. But until I test, I won't know. So I mean, I'm certain that caused the problem before. It's just a matter of whether all these changes I made will make that not much of a big deal. Basically, we'd be playing side by side, or at least it gets reset. Actually, that's something I didn't test. Let's test that. So if I play as player 2, do I have the full scroll menu options? That's the real question. I mean, my map is full. I'm going to turn companion on. I think it's the end of me testing this. Thank you for watching, whoever's been watching. But I'll probably switch to the other map real quick to see what I can do, and then end. But and then there's me going for a few more hours. Alright, let's see what we can do. Well, I have my guy, he's out in the ocean. Hey, buddy. Oh, I can't command him. So he added the plot thickens. It added him to the other guy's command group. But I can check account and prepare a box. I have money. Okay, so this might actually work. I am a switchable unit, but I think once I run main character. Alright, I'm gonna send a message to Zach letting him know. Or I'll draft it and I'll send it once I check the other one, but alright. 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 Interesting. So they are both in my group.
Move to grid.
Funny enough,
3, 0,
that
Niner,
one
Niner.
companion that was
Roger
over
that.
by him got teleported to me. And now he got teleported
Form on me.
to... Okay, I think I have a plan. And that plan is just putting him in the sea, and we because there's no reason to just put him in the middle of nowhere. Might as well put him somewhere. Oh, I meant just these two. We are gonna move them all the way over here. Yeah, it's not following the player position. That's so weird, though. Kind of lame. I mean, I changed this file. It should just work, but oh well. We'll save that. So now, if I play multiplayer, play as player 1, when I spawn in the east, he'll just be in the east. Alright, start in the east. Alright.
What's your position?
Good question. What is my position? Wait, what? East just sends me to a random coast on the east? That can't be right. Maybe I meant north. Let me back up. Oh, this is gonna be a problem. But with both of us being Zeus, someone could just spawn a helicopter and fly over to me. Alright, let's see. Let us see. Where are we now? We are way the heck up here. Let me do east again. See where it sends me. That's a problem. Alright, continue. Alright, message sent. Okay, well, maybe we'll play this sometime, but I think I'm about done looking at all this junk. We're gonna wrap it up. Alright.
Levantis, move to grid 1850.
Yeah, that's what we call east. Okay, yeah, so this is going to be a problem. I'm going to put him somewhere right in the middle. Air base problem, that tends to be a military base, so that's not good. So let's just back up and put him in a nice, safe location in the middle of the country and leave it at that. I mean, honestly, I could just do that with both characters, disable all of the randomization stuff, but that's a lot of work. So let's just move him somewhere nice and safe. Apparently, that's a default position for that thing. Let's put him like in a mountain or something, somewhere where there isn't going to be like a big military presence, but close enough to a field that he can spawn something. Start on this island. There's not going to be anybody on the island, I don't think. One time I had it spawn on one of the islands that has a church, since there's like 200 churches. Yeah, this one. And I think there's one over here. Nope. Oh yeah, there's one right there, but that's not quite there. Okay, well, let's spawn him on this island. Uh-oh. I accidentally grabbed the other thing. That's why it was moving. Alright. So let's do this. Alright, he's safe. Let's point him over here. Perfect. Save that. Export. Multiplayer. There it is. Add my name to it. Oh, I have to add, no, I have to do this again. I forgot this is the version where I hadn't changed all of the metadata, so I have to do that again. No. No, not that either. Where was that? I already forgot. Here it is. Alright. And this is going to be scenario multiplayer. Spawns player 2. Safe location. A safe static location. Both players have Zeus mode. Alright, now I can save it. Okay, and it overwrote the other one. We are going to add my name to the end of it, so I don't forget it's this one. Alright, we're done with that one. That only took 2 hours for one mission, isn't that great? Alright, let's open the other one. See what this junk's all about. Send this to my friend Zach. Alright. Send him this file. Alright, sent. Oh boy, okay. So, XEH, I should look this up, but one of the things I want to do, one of my goals, is to get rid of the CBA dependency, because it wasn't in the original. Whoever made the multiplayer version added a dependency that I do not want. So let's see what XEH is. Extended fire, muzzle mode ammunition, item parameters. Yeah, there's no reason for them to have added this when it wasn't needed in the original. It's mostly just scripts. Alright, well, I'm Googling it right now. So annoying. Okay. It's unknown. Alright, well, first things first. Let's find where that is. I might be able to find it in the extracted mission folder. So let's see. Add-ons should be a thing. I'm looking at the files. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on here. Let's go to the init file for the initial loading. And search the init file for CBA. No, CBA does not come up. What about XEH, which it was saying it needed? Nope. What about add-on? Nope. Alright. Very cool. Enable saving true. Yep, thank you. Alright, well, I'm just reading through. Add mission. Oh, there's cheats. Unlock missions. Ooh. Hello. Let's try that. I want to mess with that. I want to see all the missions at once, because that would save a lot of time. Alright, let's play. Or let's reload. And let's play. Hopefully it won't give me an error for this dumb add-on. Or else I'll have to find that right now, or else this won't work. Maybe the mission. No. Randomization. Oh, that's a problem. So I loaded it. I guess not having that add-on makes nothing work. Okay, so I need to find in the text files where that add-on is, or else this just simply won't work. This can be a pain. Base markers, President's House. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff going on here. Controllers, informants. Yeah, I can really get into this and change it to do a lot of cool stuff, but for now I just want it to work without the dumb mod. Yeah, because everything's its own separate text files full of the functions that they created to do all the cool stuff that this mission does. Like define the hostages. Where are the hostages? The hostages task. I want to see what that one says. Oh, this is just updates the task once you find the hostages. And this is the init. Initially, wait until player distance is less than 5 and they're alive, and then they join your squad. Well, that's nice. Hostages placement. Here we go. I was curious how this is done. Okay, so there's 2 hostages. For animals spawn. What? Hostage task. Okay. Why would animals need to be there? Hostage test, hostage array, damage, random, between 10 and 90%. That doesn't sound like fun. They start with 90% damage? Ugh, that'd be horrible. Trying to exfiltrate them. That's written in Greek. I don't know what that means. Apparently this was written by someone in English and in Greek. So cool, I guess. Yeah, I don't know why. I'm sure there's a lot of people that developed this, but that's gonna make this a little bit tougher if some of the comments are in Greek. I'm just going through how to arrest people, intel. It's not there. Music. Apparently, music plays when a character dies. Dramatic music. There's a lot of stuff. Okay, let's temporary. Where would it be? You know what I can do to make this faster, and I didn't want to do it, but it seems like it's the only way. I'm going to shut down the game. And we're going to reload the game with the mod, because then I can load... Oop. Accidentally closed the launcher, too. Then we can load the actual mission correctly and search within the mission editor for the term. So I'm going to play with mods, loading the game. Because yeah, going through every single text file is going to be a little slow. Searching for this. Area patrols, description. Briefing. Where would add-ons be? I should just Google that. Where are add-on dependencies in Arma 3 mission? Yeah, how to remove a mod dependency from mission was the first thing that came up way back when it was in alpha. Open mission SQ. I'm in a text editor. Well, if it's binarized, that's not going to work. Yep, and it is. Yeah, so the only way to do it is the way I'm doing right now. Check the add-ons. Yeah, so I'm going to do it through the editor. Whoa, okay. I clicked on something. All right. So this is going to be the only way this is possible. We shall see how to do it as we go. Alright, let's see. Did it load? Is everything just in logic? Oh no. Sorry, this is just the map. It's freaking out. Alright. Hunter 6. Ah, there we go. Okay. See, all the person did to make this multiplayer is just make all of these characters playable. What I want to do, though, make this extra spicy, is we're going to make some of these helicopters playable, too. So that we can fly the helicopters ourselves. So double-click. Okay, well, the helicopter itself is not playable, but where's the person inside? Mortar. Why can't I make helicopter unit playable? Oh, here he is. There he is. Hehehe. Alright, what's this? Or, I meant, how did I do that before? Well, I can go there too, but, oh, not select all. Ooh. Select... I don't know what I'm doing. How did I do that? Find an asset browser. There we go. No, not asset browsers. Find in config. Whoops, that's not what I wanted. Close. Oh, yeah, so we already have the dragonfly. Oh, they're all part of the same unit. So I just took over a dude who's in this unit. Where's this guy? Let's go see him. So you're telling me this is him? He's part of this unit, but like all of these helicopters are also part of this unit, so there he is. Yeah, no, forget this guy. No one wants to be him. Alright. Let's see. Well, that's so weird. It's like it's listing it as an empty... There we go. Never mind, I figured it out. Alright, helicopter pilot. Playable. Oh, don't literally play as him. Okay. How did I not have that one before? Oh, it's the Eden play as character. I have the Zeus play as character achievement. Oh my gosh. I have to wait for this to load now, don't I? Oh, there we go. Alright, sorry for that loud exhale. Helicopter pilot again. Well, it did make him playable. Oh wait, no it didn't. Alright. So what this is going to do is it's going to make it so that when we're in game, I'll show in a minute, but I can change to be this character and make them get out of my way so I can fly the helicopter myself. Previously, the only alternative would be to kill the person and steal the helicopter, and that's not good. Also, wait, what? Oh yeah, these are already people. Alright, well we have these ones. They're purple now. What about... Oop, what about here? Yeah, let's make this dude playable. But see, that's so weird. It's like... hopefully they make it so these are the right faction once you actually start playing. This is a problem. And I don't know why I have... This is the only way I can select them, is by doing this. There we go. Alright, so playable. It's gonna make the server list super clogged, but that's okay. I'm trying to click this dude. Why is he not... don't even know where that is in the list. Where? Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. So he's in the blue section, but where is he? There's like a million. Is there an expand all? Alright, these are all the characters. Here we go. No, I mean, go here. Alright, so we got mortarmen for no reason. We got... Oh, yeah, no, this is on the other side of the map. There we go, found him. So if I go back there... No wonder I was hearing mortars when we were at the base last night. It's because our mortarmen were mortaring people that we couldn't even see. Alright. Playable. 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 It's going to be kind of a mess, but as long as you can be somebody in the helicopter, you should be able to take control. Where's this guy? Okay, let's like go here. Oh, it's these two losers. They're staring at each other for the whole time. Okay, I think we got it. Nope, we missed one. Oh, okay. This one's just hanging out, being anti-air, I guess. Alright, well, I'm going to count that a success. So, now let's figure out where the mod is. Let's play. Where's the mod? So Everett. I'm just checking some of these to see what their initial values are. It's Vega. Alright, well, why is Vega's identity not set? That's a problem. That's very odd. Everyone else's identity is set. Weird. Maybe someone thought, hey, Player 1 and Player 2 should be Team Leader and Vega, and they didn't test any other possibilities, but they also didn't tell anyone that that was who you needed to be. Let's see what it looks like now. It's probably a mess. No player assigned. Ooh, yeah, because I have to be a player. Yeah, it is a mess. Okay. So, I gotta be Barnes. Oh boy. Now that I've resaved the mission SQM, I wonder if it's in Notepad. Nope. It's still binarized. Should probably just turn that option off and save it again. Yeah, that's me. All sorts of errors going on. Oh boy. Wait until return nil, true or false expected. Why would the number of kills be crashing this? I didn't change anything for that. Undefined behavior. It's nil when it should be true or false. I didn't change a single thing other than making people playable. And now I'm getting crazy errors. Okay, this is what I wanted to see. So, team. Yeah, so private blah 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 blah. And hoopoo hoopoo boo. yeah, all these privates are Blackfoot Gunner, co-pilot. So now I can pilot this. Take controls. Engine on. The question though, oh, that's how it just dawned on me how to you press shift to rise in a helicopter. It's been a long time, but earlier it was not working. Well, that error message is really annoying. Alright, so the idea here is, can I screw around in this, leave, and have it still work? So get out. He's gonna go back to base. And he's telling me, like, hey, you belong in here. But what if I tell him pick up at location? So what if I tell him to go over there?
100 meters back.
Well, apparently he doesn't want to leave without me, so I should get him. That's a good thing to, oh, never mind. He's like, if this is too important, soldier, I have to go pick them up. Well, that's good. That means it still works. The other question, though, is if I become the only pilot and get out. So if I do Blackfoot, door gunner, pilot. Here we go. So if I just get out and then switch to the other guy. Also get out, switch to the other guy. There we go. I mean, get out.
3, get in that vehicle.
Alright, so both of us got out. And now if I switch back, interestingly, I can't switch back to the main character. I don't know why. Alright, well, this is good enough. So then I do 002 request, ghost talk. And then I do 002 close air support at that location. So I might have made the close air support actually the one that I broke. So let's go see. There we go. Might delete the guys that drive back and forth too, so we don't get run over anymore. I hear it taking off. This one where I took out both guys though is not going anywhere. Yeah, so the close air support still had one pilot. Interestingly, the Hummingbird did not go in touchdown like it was supposed to. Let me give it a new request. What if I tell it to go really far away? Okay, good. So it is still working. Close air support gonna shoot some stuff? I guess they're just looking for enemies. Interesting. So what if I switch back to this guy? I really wish that arrow was not there. I don't know why it's doing that. Number of kills is freaking out because I added extra players, I guess.
Status red.
Yeah, this guy. This is the Littlefoot guy. I wonder if I could put him in there as a random dude who isn't the pilot of this, and in theory would not know how to pilot it in real life. And now, if I switch back to me, or Sergeant Everett, and I go 00 to transport, ghost talk, pick up, over there. What's gonna happen? the little pilot gonna pick me up? Doesn't look like it. It's not moving. It's not moving. Okay. And that might have been the wrong one anyway, because we have 2 helicopters with similar names. Is he still in there? It looks like he is. Actually, it looks like he got out. Can't tell. Which one is that? So this is the Ghost Hawk. So if I go... Oh, wrong thing. 2 Ghost Hawk. Pick up. Yeah, he's not flying it. Okay, well now we know. But if I switch to him and kick him out, that's not him. Yeah, this guy can die too. Makes it easier to tell who's who. Private. If I kick him out, which I can't. Even with the co-pilot. Oh, no, this is the other ship. So get out.
Great. Get in that vehicle.
Switch. I don't know why some of these have a thing on them. Alright, I'm just gonna shoot this guy, because I can't find him. Alright, bulletproof glass and all that. Okay, let me get in there. Snipe him from behind.
One, cease fire.
Ever. Oh, I killed that guy. Well. Oh, bulletproof glass. Alright, what was... It was Hummingbird Pilot. I need him to get out.
Man down.
There he is. What about this one? The other Hummingbird Pilot. Oh, not this guy. I don't know why this is so hard. This guy just needs to go somewhere.
4, get in that vehicle.
It's madness.
3. Fucking fire.
That ain't like that. Thank you.
Cease fire.
Alright.
Cannot
So if the
comply.
co-pilot
4.
is in the
Get in
pilot
that
seat,
vehicle.
Copy that.
and I switch to Sergeant and tell him to take off. Ghost Hawk, pick up.
Area clear. Area clear.
I think they're going. No, I don't see the tail rotor moving. I wonder if that means if the pilot dies and the co-pilot's still alive, if this thing just breaks, because that's what it looks like. Oh, by the way, yeah, this is a problem. I have to go back and become. So apparently using the team switcher messes with things, because I couldn't become Barnes again if I switched, and that's a big problem. Because he's the one that can accept tasks. So using the team switcher messes with things. Yeah, there's no reason to have CBA on this. So annoying. Alright, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to save it as non-binarized, and I'm going to check the mission file. I have no idea why I'm getting all these errors in the awards. kill minimums are going wild for no reason. Kills minimum, yeah. I don't know why that guy left all of a sudden. I wonder if loading back in made everything reset. It seems like that's possible. I should just turn off fatigue, because that would make this mod more fun multiplayer. Yeah, everyone reset. Every person reset, you see that? Every person is where they should be, but the helicopter that I sent that got destroyed is right there. Never mind. Was there another helicopter here? I guess not. Okay, so loading back in reset everything. Good to know. I just want to see if these guys were dead. No, they're alive again. Yeah, so it reset the whole map to load back in. Alright, well that works. I wonder though, what happens if I... Uh-oh. Oh, am I too far away from them? Why can't I recruit anybody? That's a problem. Maybe it has something to do with the glitch that's going on right now. Oh, everything's messed up. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to look for where it says only John Barnes can do that. I'm going to look for why this thing's glitching out. And also check the add-ons. So what we're going to do is preferences. Binarize is not on, so I'm going to save. And then we're going to check the SQM. It's still a mess. Let me do encoding. View symbols. Oh, there's a lot of null symbols. Oh my gosh. Okay. Yeah, there's no way. This is not a format that's readable in a text program. What about the old one? The old one is fine. Hello, add-ons. A3, A3, A3. Add-ons auto, A3, A3, A3. Yeah, there's no... How did they get Z in here? It's not even in the list of add-ons. What is going on? Alright, well let's figure this out. Not those options. Configure add-ons. How do I just turn off all of this? Basically, it looks like whoever loaded this had... this makes me angry. What happened probably was whoever wanted to modify this to be multiplayer loaded the game with mods on, started building this, and accidentally included some functionality by mistake somewhere. Because there shouldn't be a reason why it's needed. Or they just added it on purpose just to... because they wanted it. That's so annoying. Can I search? Nope. Alright, well I'm going to search within text files. We're going to search for XDH. I am not searching within SQM files though, because it doesn't know their text files. So how are we going to do this? Yeah, my searches are turning up nothing. Reading through. through the initial stuff. There's a whole bunch of items. Outro, win, outro, loose. They mean lose, but they don't know how to spell. Or it's something in another language. Outro loose. Alright, init. Let's check out the init file. Unload aid. Reputation awards. Okay, fatigue. Fatigue init. Let's check out the fatigue init. Let's just turn off fatigue, because it's lame. I think one reason why they might have just made this mod required is to have the debug menu always available. And that's a pretty lame reason to have a mod when you're already editing the file and can just do that. Because you don't need a mod to do that. Fatigue and where is fatigue? Found it. Okay. While this is Bravo Platoon, set the variables. Wait until this is Mission Squad. Rest, wait 1 day. Set to 0. This variable fatigue 0 out of 100 possible fatigue. Fatigue amount 0.1. Endurance. Mission namespace endurance fatigue 0. Sleep 300. While in sleep, if fatigue, then fatigue equals fatigue plus fatigue amount, where it's a positive. And then set skill of unit minus fatigue amount. Interesting. So all I really need to do is comment this out. Let's see if that works without breaking anything. So play multiplayer, see if this crashes. Lots of errors. Okay, I'm gonna look that up right now. It's ribbon. Yeah, it's not like in awards. Init awards. Oversee. Yeah. Combat actions. 1, 2, and 3. Kills minimum 10. Give this unit sleep 1. Kills none. Kills 20. Kills 30. So it doesn't like kills minimum until mission is undefined behavior. Wait until return nil. Wait until unit variable. So it doesn't like wait until. It doesn't think that's a thing, even though, yeah. So let's just comment out wait until. Let's see how it likes that. Alright. So what was I testing again? Oh ho ho ho! It shows up and then it crashes. That's actually pretty cool. Okay. What was I testing? Totally forgot. Alright, well they can join
Vega,
now.
join group. O'Connor, join group. Jackson, join group.
Added something.
Ready.
Totally forgot now though. Oh, I added no fatigue. So if I go waste a bunch of time... Hey, what's up, Shan? Just noticed your message. I've been staring at text monitors. Did you apply for a new job? Sign a contract for an apartment somewhere far away? Ask a guy on a date? Those are my three guesses. Am I
75
close?
meters. Front.
Alright, let's see if fatigue starts showing up. So if I go to the menu, there's no fatigue. I need time to pass. How do I pass time without sleeping? Because that makes fatigue go away. Can't speed up time. Yeah, sure. We're gonna go, yeah.
Board that vehicle. Roger.
That freaking truck. That's the next thing I'm gonna do. I need to delete that truck. Hey, good for you.
Standing by.
Reading.
Waiting.
That is a good thing to do. Keep it up. Takes discipline. Just waiting to see if any fatigue shows up. But I need time to pass in the game. I think it's 0.1 for every hour that passes. Something like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fly to where I can pass time. And then see if it works. I think it works. I just need to make sure it doesn't crash. Oh, nice. Breeding lots of spirits and stuff. Good time. If you're wondering what I'm doing right now, the stuff that wasn't working yesterday, I'm hacking and modifying myself to make them work. But by the error messages in the middle of the screen, you can see apparently I broke something else. So I'm in the process of fixing that while also changing a bunch of other junk. Hey, that's great. Those are good habitual things to get going. Help you more and more.
Target that tank. 1 o'clock.
Uh-oh. They're a tank. See it? Oh, they were just freaking out about a friendly tank. Alright, well, I think I fixed this dumb ribbon problem while that's going. Let me close those. Just a little fatigue. Hey, there you go. Lots of good positive things going on. Alright, so remove fatigue. What else can I do? I need to figure out where it makes it so Barnes is the only one that can do cool stuff. That's the next thing. Oh gosh, where would that even be? Enable simulation. Probably in the init. Alright, I'm on the ground. Everybody up.
Truck. Grid 084 182. Disembark. Roger. Get in that vehicle. Roger.
Alright. Scan reputation. Wow, if you kill the priest, it's minus 100 reputation. That's a big deal.
Ready.
I guess you are supposed to guard him, so that's a big deal. Alright, well, you don't get to live, Jax. We're gonna go do this real quick to make time pass. Sorry to hear that. Yeah, it's hard building trust, and different people handle social situations different. I'm starting to learn that more and more. So some people vent and will tell everything you say to someone to everyone else, or say negative things about everyone else in their life to the other people in their life constantly. It's not very healthy. Yeah. Well, I cut out toxic people, and it's a shame. I had to do that a lot in my life, growing up, especially. People misuse trust or just aren't worthy of that trust, and you find out, and you gotta take decisive action. Yeah, some people just have really bad habits. They never grow out of them, even when they're old. Alright, almost there. So the goal here is I'm going to deliver this aid.
I've got a visual, technical, 300
Really?
meters,
I don't want to fight right
060.
now. I just want to... Oh, crap. Shoot him, please. Well, somebody died. Wow, he shot... Oh no, the guy in the back did die, okay. He was the one that was exposed.
We got a man down!
Well, crap. They're chasing us. All I want to do is pass some time. Oh, fatigue is happening, so I didn't fix it. That was the whole point, so let's exit. Maybe coming under fire is a separate fatigue that I have to disable. That's probably what it is. Alright, so I still have to find the mod. Spawn ID calendar. Alright, let's try intro. Because it looks like intro has more than the init file. Weapon on black. Date year. Zulu time. Okay, that didn't help. Marker. Unit. Nope. Save game. Enemy. Nope. Alright, well I'm going to go through everything. Go through all the text files again, look for something that is relevant. So it was under temp. Temp has a lot of scripts for stuff that isn't happening constantly, or stuff that is happening constantly. Squad info. HPP. Header file. Let's call into ID1. Oh, so this is how that works. Operators, flags, safe zone, name list. Alright, so I'm looking for ID card, color, skills, and stat labels. Okay. Awards. Alright, so that's just for the text. Squad info members. What is this? Search rebel hideout. Okay, so searching the rebel hideout adds a massive thing. It's like its own mini mission. Conversation box. Special interrogation. Oh boy, there's a lot of stuff. Again, for where it would have a bunch of stuff. Safe house. Search all the safe houses. There's a bunch of them. I mean, I commented it all out. Endurance. Get variable strength underscore or string unit plus endurance. But fatigue amount is just the endurance. Sleep on endurance. So it's the amount of time that passes while the unit is in mission squad. Make the endurance sleep. Outlines the rescue them. Oh, and I need to reload this. That was another thing. Okay, kills counter was freaking out. Let's see what happens here. Kill score, killed 1, if killer, number of kills, string of killer plus kills. Where is kills? Kills is someone has kills. Need to debug if debug true. If player add event handler. Okay. Alright, let's play multiplayer. Gotta close all this junk. Have like 20 text files open. Close them all. Alright. Make me barns. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for removing that restriction. And I don't know where that would be. Con controllers? What is it? Conversations. That's not going to be it. Base. It's the literal bases. You go to info. No, it's the info you get from people. Objectives. Alright, what else we got? Perks. What are perks? Navigator. Oh yeah, the perks that each team member has that does special things. Pictures. Pictures of their faces. Platoon. Here we go. Okay, platoon fatigue has its own thing. Well, no wonder I couldn't make them not have it. They put it in 2 places, those sneaky guys. We're just gonna comment that out. Yeah, it was the exact same code repeated in the platoon folder. That's why it wasn't working before. Really? It's still not working? What does it say now? Wait until heals minimum. Ribbon lifesaver. Okay, well, the ribbons are not working anymore, and I don't know why. Ribbon lifesaver. So I've just been commenting them out because wait until is not working, that function. What's weird though is otherwise everything's working. It was working last night, but the wait until function is like deprecated or something. So I'm commenting out every instance that I'm finding right now. Which may mean you automatically start with every medal, because it's waiting until something happens, but having that running constantly is probably a bad idea, and that might be why they deprecated it. All of these processes running, waiting for a counter to go up to a certain level before they activate. Oh my gosh, there's so many wait untils. Alright. How do I batch close? File, close all. Alright, we're good. Alright, well, I'll have to wait until the next time I reload. So in the meantime, let me pull out my gun.
Check your goddamn fire!
Yeah, I shot you. I'm trying to make their
Vega, join group. Need help. O'Connor, join group. Jackson, join group.
Fatigue go
Miller,
up.
join group. Ready. 1, ceasefire. Ready.
Well, their health went down, so that works.
Somebody help me!
Nobody help him. Alright, so I think driving is what, or maybe getting shot at was what made it happen.
Vehicle.
But let's just get everyone in here. We're all shot up. Get your butts in the vehicle.
Standing by. Standing by. Standing by.
Get in the vehicle, please. Thank you. Oh, it's because I probably shot him in the leg.
Ready.
It's going real slow. Alright. Oh yeah, delete the guy that drives up and down the street. First, let's drive for a couple minutes, and that should fatigue us a little bit. We shall see. But, I mean, it shouldn't fatigue us because I fixed it, but it might still do. You know, I think there was an option in the menu for remove fatigue. That'd be pretty dumb doing all this work if it was already there. Wrong direction. Well, I'm just gonna let this run for a bit while I check some more stuff. Alright, so words calendar GUI. Here we go. IDs. Dialogue. Okay, so there's the IDs for each character. Stats. Okay, squad selection. Here we go. Create dialogue. Else, if player is player 1, then hello, is player. No, if get rid of the if then anyway. Let's just do boom. Boom. Oh no, because if then, let's see. If. Yeah, no, because the then statement is what all this is. I just get rid of that. Okay, I did it. Alright, are my guys fatigued? They are. But only me. I'm gonna drive around a bit more. Or actually,
Dismount. Copy that.
I'm gonna make them walk and see if they get fatigued. Because I'm driving and maybe that fatigued me.
Waiting. Jackson.
That'd be
hold
kind of
that
ironic
vehicle.
if that's only
Standing by.
the AI doesn't get fatigued, but I do.
Ready.
Alright, we're gonna wait some more time. Okay, so that was squad selector. Squad info. It's the same chunk. Repeated. Support request. Transport. That's fine. Select helicopter. That's fine. That means I now know where to go. Note to self, if I want to add more helicopters or transport vehicles to automatically go places, use select heli in the GUI folder. Because that's where they're listed. And then you just need to name each vehicle a specific thing that you can then call in that file. Open support request. Alright, well, there's that. Platoon. Let's go back to platoon. Toughness. Huh. That's a damage thing for health. Night vision goggles. Wait until player distance gets far enough away. Set task succeeded. Just makes it wait a certain number of days. Wait until, listen, for rest, wait 1 day. Current day, wait until current day is 2. Huh. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. Alright, let's see how the rest of my people are. Yeah, so I'm the only one getting messed up.
Somebody help me. Get in that vehicle.
Alright, gearbox. Okay, let's see. Units. Spawn unit once. Helicopter pilot. Workshop. Spawn cache. Spawn anti-aircraft. Oh, okay, I found it. There's a third place where fatigue is. So annoying. Okay, so in the temp folder is the last one. The first one I did was temp, then fatigue. The second one was in platoon, and then the third one was just in temp itself. So finally, no one should be getting fatigued. And what's my ribbon lifesaver? Yeah, no, I have to. I think I fixed all those since last time. So, all right. I think I did it all. So let's load it up. So this is going to be pretty cool, because what this means is I can be anyone. I'm going to be the humming... No, I'll be Michael Everett, just to check. A real person. But that means I should be able to recruit as anyone, ever. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some Zeus, because you never go wrong with a little bit of Zeus. What's the problem now? Enable sim. Okay, well, maybe these were issues that were always in there, but because I'm in the editor, they're showing up. Hey. Yeah, everyone has every medal. Oh, interestingly, they don't join my group, they just become active. And they join his group. That's interesting. Okay, well, at least you can do something. So wait, what happens when I become one of them now? Alright, Jax was not one of them. Let's do... Alright. Now, wrong thing. If I become someone else...
Ready.
Yeah, I'm in his group. Well, that doesn't fix much. Let's do, well, at least everyone can add people, but they're adding it to the one character. So... Let me, I could probably fix that, but let me back up. I'm going to delete the truck driver finally. I'm going to add Zeus, and then I'm going to try to fix that, and then I think I'll be done. So platoon. Where was that? No, it wasn't platoon. It was, temp? How did I find that? Uh-oh. Do I still have it open? Nope. Support request, fatigue. Now let's close all. Where was that? GUI. Yeah. GUI squad selection. Alright. Moving able. Moving enable false. On load. This call, load stats, this call, ID's 1. Interesting. Class control, okay. Let's highlight. Flags. Name list. That's not helpful either. Style. Okay, so yeah, everybody's stats. Where's the recruitment? Break button, 1 per day. Huh. Squad selection screen. Oh. These are HPP files. There's select heli. There's open squad info. There's IDs. Load stats. Dialogue. It loads everything that was in the other one. Something in some other language. Wow, I already forgot how I did this. Open squad info. I already looked at that one. Sorry, I'm just looking very carefully. Okay, I need to delete this driver dude before he kills more people. Where is he? Okay, that guy's fine. There he is. And this guy's deadly. Here's an idea. Why don't I just delete his cycle? There we go. Save. Okay, I've completely lost where that was. I almost need to like go back in the video and find it because this is a pain. Platoon again? Assign gear. No. Unit enable AI to move. Here we go. Okay, I'm looking for where in the code it says when you assign someone or add someone to your group where they where the code is that says add them to this group. And it should be whoever the current player is, not Barnes. Like it should say player group instead of Barnes's group, and that should fix this. So there are civilian cars, so we did kill some civilians before, so that's good to know. It's conversation, structure, squad, info. Yeah, no, it wasn't in here. Base. And yeah, everyone did have every medal, because who cares about medals? I'm like very carefully looking through all this. It's not in there. Yeah, I've lost it. Spawn? No, because spawning is what you would think it is, creating the units. Alright, well this is turning into like my longest stream ever, but I do want to finish this. Talk to teammates is not it. Where did I see that? Right. Still working on this. Where would it be? Carefully going through everything. talking to the teammates, not it. I'm like very focused. I'm just getting this done. Okay. We have the defines. We have heli request. We have... Oh, is heli request gonna say like only so and so can do it? Onload this call. Heli. Yeah, where was I seeing that? Okay, so we have IDs, hide medals, show medals, set ID. Nope. Oh, here it was. It was in open squad info. So the only one who could make it is Barnes. So I just got rid of the stuff around it. Problem is, this doesn't help. It says GUI load stats. So in load stats, this should be the actual menu for what happens. So select 0, 1, 2. Soldier is 1. Slot this select. Mission squad. Units group player. Okay. That's a problem. so that's fine. Where else does it say player? If player is less than 15. That's all commented out. If alive soldier, then okay, so it marks them as alive or dead. Dialogue S1, call AI stats. AI stats will do dialogue this select 0. That's where IDs comes in because everyone has an ID, where it's just a number. Where was that? Defines. So define like 12 was a tree. Okay, no, that's for drawing everything. And that defines. Okay, IDs. Let's go back to IDs. And close some of this other junk. I have so many. Alright, I think I closed most of them. Okay, IDs. So IDs 13 is Nichols. Nichols is the sniper. This select 0, call set ID. So where, fact 1, fact 2, ID. So where's set ID is just a built-in thing, isn't it? So the ID is S blah blah blah. There's set ID. No, it is a, okay. Dialogue. This select 0, display, CNT, count units group player. Aha! I found it! Oh my gosh. This took so long. Line 60 of IDs.sqf. Button action ID join S01 squad selection screen units group player. So you would think it would work, but because they made it only joins Barnes because he's S01, that's why it's not working. So instead of S01, I just say join player. Let me search for S01 in this document, see if there's any more of those. IDs, yeah. S01 is Barnes. I think I just fixed it. That was it. That one line just needed to be changed, and that's what I was looking for. So I just open this up again. Yeah, I'm gonna have to unsave changes and then delete the truck thing again. Okay, truck thing, add Zeus. Oh, that looks right. Save this. Truck thing, Zeus. Almost done. Wait, what? Alright. Man, the text is small on this. Game Master. We are going to make Barnes the Game Master. There we go. Name, Zeus1, owner. Oh gosh, what is this dude's name? SO1. Yeah, so someone came in here, did playable, and all these, and was like, "Oh, look at me! I made it multiplayer." But it takes all the other extra stuff that I've been doing to actually make it work. So we have what, 2 through 13. That's 0, 2. I don't think that affects their game knowledge. Ay, ay, ay. I wonder if I could just copy paste, paste. Alright, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So let's just make this all good. 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8.
Vega, join group. O'Connor, join group. Miller, join group. Ready. Ryan, join group. Ready. Razor, join group. O'Connor, join group. Everett, join group. Ready.
I don't know how long I was muted there. I wonder which button I hit. I didn't hit... Yeah, keyboard 0 does it. The other 0 doesn't. So I have no idea. I apologize. I guess I'll go back and listen to see how long this was muted. But I did it. I made this map, this Hunter 6 map, exactly what I wanted and working the proper way. This truck won't run me over anymore. And yeah, everything works as intended with squads going to separate squads. It's great. So now the question is, what else am I gonna do? No, what is this one? Oh, the watchtower is a Zeus. I guess I just exit. I don't know. Now it's time to test it with to see if the error messages show up. I think those are suppressed in multiplayer, hopefully. So we're just gonna make a local. And I can be whoever I want. Why is this like this? My monitors, I used to have them leaning against each other so that they wouldn't shake. But now, for some reason, even leaning against each other, it's still wobbling all over the place when my desk gets hit. I don't know why. In theory, having them pushed against each other, I guess it just wobbles differently. Well, I mean, that works. I can put one behind the other to prevent it from wobbling, so there's some pressure on it. That looks so bad. Oh, man. I had my monitors all set up the way I like, and then this happens. Well, maybe if I put the right monitor in front of the other monitor, that's not too bad. And now it won't wobble. Okay. Oh, that's what I forgot to do. Dang it. I need to make that enabled. I mean, it's enabled from here, but still. Alright, so question. What happens if I die? Awesome, so it does come up. So then I can go, oh, okay. I want to be this dude. What happens if we all die? Oh, that's smoke.
Area clear.
Wow, -2 skill for a team kill. Well, there you go. Wow, double kill. See how many kills I can get with this one shot. That was 2. Oh, I missed. Well, that's the game.
Area clear.
Identify his body, regain.
Check your goddamn butt.
Oh, not if you're dead. Okay, so what happens if I kill Barnes? That's the next question. Apparently nothing. And that guy's invincible. Yeah. Cool. Well, no more game overs.
1. Cease fire.
That's really cool. I can't believe it works. Everyone's dead but me. 'Cause I killed them all. Cool. Now what happens if this character dies? I think I just respawn as a helicopter pilot. Oh, well, I don't have a way of killing myself. Alright, well, I forgot. What was the thing I was just about to do? There's one thing missing from this. I was going to have to re-export because of it. Oh well, I forget. I'm gonna go check the other one. It was something to do with the multiplayer respawn. I'm gonna redo the pilgrimage one. This. Ugh, longest video ever. And it's the only one where I haven't dropped any frames. Okay. Let's open it up real fast. Like, let us check this. Here we go. Aha. So during this time, the character doesn't exist anymore. So that explains a lot. Can I copy, edit, copy, intro, paste? I don't know. That might help something. Probably not, but whatever. Alright, let's save that. And, what? Oh, I can't play the intro, that's why. Oh. That was the other thing. It was multiplayer. Respawn allowed. That's what I wanted to do. No. Respawn. That's what I was going to check too, is task progression. So let's play this one time. Then I'm going to change the other one to be spawn on position. Alright, it might actually work this time. Just adding him to the intro so he exists in the intro. Yeah, sure. Companion on. Anderson, away. Yeah, he's way over there. Alright, well.
What's your position?
See, I don't know why it does that sometimes. Because I even allowed for team switching in this. But whatever. That was the thing I was going to fix in the other one, but who cares? It's for respawning. Actually, oh. Well, okay. While I'm here... Oh, I pressed back too far. Alright, well, let's export that. Okay, cool. Let's close the other one. just realized I screwed up the other one. It will actually have a defined mission attribute. Imagine that. Cooperative mission. Okay. Alright, now we're done, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the stream. That was me taking Hunter 6 co-op and making it actually co-op. And also Pilgrimage and making it co-op. But thank you for watching. Just getting it all set up. Look forward to a new one sometime. A new episode of playing this. And now with respawns and Zeus mode. But thanks for watching me goof around and learn how to edit stuff in the new Eden editor. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.